Ford F-150 has long been America's best-selling full-size pickup truck, and the 2025 model keeps that legacy alive while pushing the boundaries even further. With upgrades in power, technology, and comfort, the new F-150 is built for hardworking professionals, weekend adventurers, and anyone who needs a truck that delivers every single day. The 2025 Ford F-150 comes with several engine options, but two really stand out: the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and the PowerBoost Hybrid. The hybrid setup delivers an impressive 430 horsepower and is capable of traveling up to 704 miles on a full tank, perfect for long hauls or outdoor trips. For those craving classic muscle, there's also a 5.0-liter V8 option that's built for towing heavy loads and tackling tough jobs with ease. This truck isn't just about raw power, it's smart too. The 2025 F-150 features a 12-inch touchscreen running the latest Sync 4 system, giving you easy access to navigation, apps, and real-time vehicle updates. It also supports over-the-air updates to keep your tech fresh. For hands-free driving on select highways, the available Blue Cruise feature offers a taste of autonomy, making long drives more relaxing. Safety-wise, the F-150 comes equipped with automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, and other driver assist technologies to help keep you and your passengers safe. The 2025 F-150 is a beast when it comes to hauling. With a towing capacity of up to 13,500 pounds, it's ready for your biggest jobs, whether that's hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. The reinforced bed is built with high-strength materials, offering both durability and flexibility for whatever you need to carry. Don't let the rugged exterior fool you. The interior of the F-150 is all about comfort. Higher trims offer spacious cabins, premium materials, heated and ventilated seats, and clever storage solutions. Whether you're heading to a job site or taking a road trip, the F-150 provides a smooth, quiet, and refined ride that doesn't compromise on utility. The 2025 Ford F-150 delivers the full package: serious power, smart tech, rugged durability, and day-to-day comfort. Whether you're using it for work, play, or both, this truck is built to handle it all. With the new upgrades, Ford proves once again why the F-150 is more than just a pickup. It's a legend,